My YouTube channel. I know y'all all like, Anthony, you didn't play Dragon Ball Z Verse 2 like you promised to. Well, uh, I was, since it's my birthday and my cousin's over, I didn't really feel like doing it. So, whenever I might upload me playing something else. But right now, in this video, I'm going to be playing with some more Play-Doh, alright? Alright, so today, I'm going to be showing you how to make, let's make a whole bunch of food items. So let's first start with a burger. That's right. So first, we want green lettuce. You know that. We want black meat, burnt. Like burnt meat, but the green meat. Oh, that's affected. And you also want, I guess, green buns. They're more lighter than black. All right, let's do this. All right. So first, get green. Green. All right. And first, take half of it. This. You just, there we go. Then you just want to smush it together like that. Shoot. Oh yeah, smush it all together. Good. Yeah. Boom. I guess that's gonna be your bun. And you want to take at least a little bit off our lettuce, but we'll have to worry about like that later. Gonna make another bun. Oh yeah. Oh. It's a little smaller, but like McDonald's say we can the half bun, like one of them be super big, one of them like small. Alright, so next I'm gonna make a burger patty. So get our black and we'll make burnt burger. And what else do we want to make out of this black? I don't even know. Alright, so we're gonna get it. So we're gonna make a classic burger. So what else? Yeah. Oh shoot. Alright, boom. Burger patty. Then you wanna get your little buns. Like this. It looks like our patty is bigger than the buns. Yeah. So who cares? We're gonna take like a little bit. If it does happen, take a little bit of the black and just peel some of that off. Then just get it. Just boom. Not perfect. I'm not perfect. Boom. I don't care. Alright. So after you have this big old patty, you wanna next put your little lettuce. Let's take some of this green. And you wanna just smush it together. Next time I play with Play-Doh, I wanna use an actual kitchen, alright? Because it's gonna make it better and just everything. Just smush it together. Boom, lettuce. Just throw that on there. Throw the other bun on there. And boom, you got yourself a little burger. I'm gonna get this perfect burger. You get this. I could eat this, but I had it before. If you want to eat it, eat it. Eat it. Eat it all. Alright, so now let's make pizza. We're gonna use black as a pizza. Let's take this off. So first, you want to get all your black pepper this time, and make sure it's all smushed together like this. Then you just get it all together. Whew. I'm gonna make it like super big, so it'll be big enough to put all the other stuff on. It's kind of like making real pizza. It's just like real. Just keep doing it over. Oh shit! I dropped it. Oh yeah, get it all. All right. I guess this will work. And you just get your toppings. Put it up like you want green for the cheese. So just put all this in little bits. The cheese. Who doesn't like green cheese? I had 2 things of string cheese. What y'all do for Easter yesterday? Leave it in the comments below. What y'all did for Easter yesterday. Alright. Just make sure we get him. I want y'all to subscribe,